Welcome to our lesson on asking for directions in Bemba. Today, we'll use fun illustrations to learn key phrases and vocabulary. Let's get started. Before asking for directions, it's polite to greet the person. Here's how. Njeleleniko and Njeleleniko means excuse me. Njipusheko and Njipusheko means may I ask. Use these phrases to start your conversation politely. Asking, where is? To ask where a place is, use the phrase ku, place, ni kwisa. Ku place, ni kwisa. For example, ku maliketi ni kwisa, where is the market? Ku famasi ni kwisa, where is the pharmacy? Ku station ni kwisa, where is the bus station? This is your go-to phrase for finding any place. Here are some common places you might ask about. Maliketi, market pharmacy, pharmacy station, bus station, isukulu, school practice, saying these words so you can ask for directions confidently. Now, let's learn some direction words. Kulyo, kulyo. Right, kuso, kuso. Left, pantanshi, straight ahead. These words will help you understand the directions you are given. When someone gives you directions, they might say, muye pantanshi, go straight. Koneka kulyo, turn right. Koneka kuso, turn left. Practice these phrases so you can follow directions easily. To ask if a place is near or far, use these words. Mupepi, near patali, far. For example, nimupepi, nangu patali. Is it near or far? This will help you know how much farther you need to go. Here are two important words for movement. Iminina, stop. Enda, go. For example, iminina pano, stop here. Enda pantanshi, go straight. These words are useful when following directions. Let's practice what we've learned. Match the Bemba phrases with their English meanings. Mwendelele pantanshi, go straight. Kumaliketi ni kwisa, where is the market? Iminina pano, stop here. Koneka kulyo, turn right. Ndolikwi, which way do I go? Great job. Keep practicing to master these phrases. Congratulations. You've learned how to ask for and understand directions in Bemba. Here's your homework. Practice asking for directions to a place in Bemba. Write down the response you get. Translate 5 new Bemba phrases into English and vice versa. Keep practicing and soon you'll be navigating like a pro. See you next time.